Good day everyone, you are welcome to GIS Solution Tutorial channel. You are welcome to our ArcPython tutorial series. This is our first lesson in the ArcPython in ArcGIS Pro tutorial series. This first video is introduction to ArcPython in ArcGIS Pro, and I will introduce you to ArcPython scripting and geoprocessing in ArcGIS Pro. So you are welcome. So this is the lesson objective. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand what is ArcPython and also learn the importance of Python in GIS. Also, we will be able to identify the uses and benefit of ArcPython. Also, you'll be able to understand ArcGIS Pro Python environment, and also I'll show you simple ArcPython scripts for analysis. Then, what is ArcPython? ArcPython is the Python package used in ArcGIS Pro. It allows automation of GIS tasks and geoprocessing. It was developed by Esri for spatial analysis and data management, and it works with Python scripts, notebooks, and ModelBuilder. So why do we need to learn ArcPython? And this is because it automates repetitive GIS tasks, which means any GIS task that is repetitive in nature, we can use ArcPython to automate it so that we will not need to be repeating the same thing every time. Then number two, it saves time and increases productivity. Then it improves analysis accuracy, and also it has the ability to handle large datasets efficiently. Then it supports advanced spatial analysis. Now, Python in ArcGIS Pro. ArcGIS Pro usually comes with a built-in Python environment, and it uses Python 3 and ArcPython package. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to check the capability of Python to run ArcPython in ArcGIS Pro. So, another thing you need to know about Python in ArcGIS Pro is that it supports Python window, notebook, and external IDEs. And of course, it integrates with geoprocessing too. So, the components of ArcPython include ArcPython.management, and this is used for data management. Then we have ArcPython.analysis. This is used to run spatial analysis too. Then we have ArcPython.conversion, which is essentially for format conversion too. Then we have ArcPython.essay, which is for spatial analyst extension. And we have ArcPython.mp, which is for map automation and layout. Then, application of ArcPython in GIS. ArcPython is very useful in buffer analysis, clipping and overlay analysis. It is also very essential in raster processing, and of course it has application in map production automations, which means you can automate the process of producing map in ArcGIS Pro. Then it has spatial data conversions application, and then batch processing of GIS task. What are the benefits of using ArcPython? Using ArcPython helps you to reduce manual work because it automates your GIS workflow. As a result of that, it reduces the tendency of doing your work manually, and as a result of that, you'll be able to automate your work. And number two, it ensures repeatable workflow. Any workflow that is repeatable can be automated and made easier with the uses of ArcPython in ArcGIS Pro. Then it supports reproducibility in research. If, for example, if I use ArcPython to run an analysis, for example, for my research, another person can use the same script to run the same process and get the same result. So it supports reproducibility in research, and also it enhances decision making. And finally, it is useful in remote sensing, hydrology, urban planning, and environmental study. Then the basic ArcPython flows include the following. Normally, you open the ArcPython interface. Then number 2, you set the workspace environment, and then you call or bring in the geoprocessing tool you want to use. For example, if you want to use clip geoprocessing tool, then after you have set your ArcPython environment, then you bring in that tool that is called geoprocessing tool. Then you save your output and run the script. Then it will generate your results, and you can review your results in ArcGIS Pro. Then here are simple ArcPython scripts for you. For example, let's say we want to run buffer analysis. Here is an example. The first thing to do is to import ArcPython. That is, you open the interface. Then you are going to import this function arcpython.environment.workspace to be able to capture your data. After you have inputted your data, then you specify the tool you want to use. In this case, we want to use buffer analysis, so it will be arcpython.bufferanalysis. Then you specify the parameters. In this case, our input will be roads, and then the analysis we want to run is buffer analysis, and then we specify the distance. In this case, let's say 100 meter, so you specify the distance, and then you run the script. When it runs, the script will create a 100-meter buffer around the road. So you can see how the ArcPython scripts look like. Then running the Python in ArcGIS Pro. To running the Python in ArcGIS Pro, we have the Python window, which is for quick commands, and we have the notebook for interactive scripting, and we have script tools for reusable workflow, and also we have external IDEs. Then here are common ArcPython functions. They include buffer, clip, intersect, merge, raster calculator, spatial join, and so forth. So it has a lot of functions in ArcGIS Pro. Then what are the challenges in using ArcPython? Of course, there are a few challenges, and number 1 is that using ArcPythons require basic programming knowledge. It's not an extensive knowledge, but you need to have the basic programming knowledge, so it is required. And also, we usually encounter syntax error. Syntax error may occur at times, and of course, large scripts can be difficult to debug. It can be difficult to debug, and some tools require ArcGIS extension. For example, if you are using spatial analyst tool, you will need to enable spatial analyst tool extension in ArcGIS. Otherwise, the process may fail. Then the best practices is that you should use meaningful variable name. If you are giving a name to your variable, let it be a meaningful name. For example, if you are working on road, name that road as road. Don't give it like ABCDE. Just give it a meaningful name. Then organize your script properly, and then comment your code. Then test scripts with small data sets. By the time you test your script with small data sets and it works perfectly, you'll be able to use it on a larger data set. And of course, save backups of projects. In summary, ArcPython is a powerful GIS automation tool that improves efficiency and analysis capabilities in ArcGIS Pro. Python scripting is an important skill for modern GIS professional. You need to understand how to use Python in GIS environments. And in conclusion, ArcPythons combine GIS and programming for advanced spatial analysis. Then, learning ArcPython enhances GIS career opportunities. And of course, Practice regularly to improve your scripting skill. In the next video, we are going to see how to check the capability of Python to run ArcPython in ArcGIS Pro. I hope you like this tutorial. Kindly give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and join our channel membership. Thank you for watching.